apparently. Coffee is good for me. Char. We got the cream. And then, there's the brown sugar. Ay! Yung mga kalat yan, guys, huwag nyo na lang intindihin. Kasi, we are on our way of packing our things here. Pero kape muna para may energy. There. Tapos, important. Ow! Init. Coffee for life. Okay lang wala ng soda, wala ng cola, basta may kape. Sa
I think the best thing to do is say, yes, sure, I will help you. I will put you on the list.
feel na feel ko talaga yung buko. What are you talking about, Martin? Masawa ko, daming sinasabi. Quiet na muna dong. I have to, concentrate, Char. So, coffee na muna tayo. Enjoy the this is the second last coffee I'm gonna be drinking this morning in this place kasi alis na kami by tomorrow. Check out namin tomorrow by 12. Yung flight namin gabi pala. So, it's fine. Ako lang ba yung nai-stress pag nagpapack ng mga things? Kasi because Char. Anyway, ganun talaga guys. Pag magcha-travel na, kahit saan pa yan, kahit international or just local travel, na-stress talaga ako sa mga pagpapacking kasi iniisip ko lagi, kasya ba to? Do I have everything in the bag? Kasi pag nandun na, baka may mga nakalimutan, ganyan. Ewan ko ba? And I know I shouldn't be stressed because it's so easy if you think about it. Pero pag hindi ko pa siya nakikita na nakalock na yung bag na ready to go, nagaganong-ganon talaga ako na stress, ganyan. So I have, yun lang. Kaya nga, even now thinking about it is like, oh my God, nare-relax lang talaga ako pag nakita ko na yung lahat ng things ay nasa bag na, ready to go, everything, paperworks, ganyan. Ganun nga siguro talaga pag tumatanda na. Ewan ko ba, baka ako lang. Sarap ng kape. Charing. But anyway guys, ito lang. Yung ginagamit ko pala ngayon yung cellphone ko lang kasi yung camera ko naiwan ko doon sa ate ko at mamayang gabi ko pa sila makikita. And then I have this. Isn't that so sweet? Christmas thing kasi hindi ako nakauwi ng medyo matagal kasi nga nagka-pandemic ganyan. Normally we always come here once a year, pero dahil sa pandemic 2 years ago ba? Yes, 2 years ago, 2020, nandito kami noon, tapos isa kami sa mga na-stuck dito. Supposedly, basta na-stuck kami, nag-extend kami ng mga 2 weeks, supposedly before 2 weeks uwi na. Kaya lang na-cancel lahat ng flight. And nung na-cancel na yung flight, it took a long time before we're able to come home. Naghintay pa kami ng nung nagpadala na yung Danish government ng airplane dito to pick up their nationals, yung mga Danish people, including other nationalities too, para makauwi. Pero mahal ng bayad nun guys. Akala ko libre, pero hindi pala, wala nang libre sa mundo. We paid around 10,000 kroner per person. Tapos one way lang yun, kaya ang mahal. So dalawa kami ni Martin, mga 20,000 plus yung binayaran namin, and times 7.5 yun lang. So you'll know yung Danish yung Filipino price. Kayo na. Kasi nga, mahirapan tayo sa math. Ganyan. But anyway, the normal, yung wala pang pandemic, nakakabili pa tayo ng mga, if you're really, really lucky, you'll be able to buy 5,000 kroner back and forth. 2 ways na yan. Ticket. Sometimes nga may pa 4,000 pa pag medyo maaga-aga ka nag-book. Kami naman this time, how much did we pay? 6,000 each person?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this time, yung nabayaran namin is 6,000 per person, 2 ways. Denmark, Philippines to Denmark. So mga 12,000. Somehow, that is an acceptable price pa. Medyo mahal-mahal pa rin. But then, we are thinking na maybe magbakasyon din kami next year dito. Maybe around January. That's in 3-4 months. Ano ngayon? September. October, November, December. Mga 4 months from now, magbabakasyon sana kami dito. But then we found out when we were looking sa ticket, ang mahal. Mga 9,000 isang tao lang yan.
Info. We know
What?
it's October tomorrow. We can't.
Yeah. My God, pa October na pala bukas. Ang bilis. So anyway, uwi sana kami dito again by January, but I do not think we can do it because it's too expensive. The ticket, we've just been checking the other day, one person is around 9,000.
8.
Around 8. Yeah.
7,500, 8,000.
Really? Because the last time I was checking, it was that area.
Yeah, but it goes up.
Yeah, but you know, those prices. But let's see, kasi nga, syempre, nagbakasyon na kami ngayon and alam nyo na, pag nagbabakasyon tayo, gasto, ganyan. So, let's see kung makakaya ba. Pag hindi, it's also okay. I have a very, very nice vacation this time. I was with my whole family. Nagbakasyon din sila with us. So, it was a really, really nice experience to be with them. And it's just sad kasi nga, uwi na kami bukas. Ang bilis lang panahon. 3 weeks lang kami dito. I wanted to meet some of my friends but it's just wala na talagang panahon, wala ng oras kasi sobrang busy namin. And when we came here, we just stayed sa city mga 2 days lang ata, and then we went to the province, Mualbual, because of course we wanna enjoy our vacation because it goes so fast. And now nasa city kami, pero ang dami din. Yesterday napunta kaming Tabuan, dami namin pinuntahan to buy the things that I wanna bring back doon sa Denmark. And ngayon naman, kasi ang dami kong pinamili, we're not sure if everything can fit in kasi si Martin din is magbibili din siya. Today, it's his turn today to see what he likes to bring back in Denmark. So now, I'm looking sa alat na, sa mga gamit namin, kung ano yung mga pwedeng iwan namin dito. Yung mga clothes ko, I think most of them, I'll just leave it here kasi winter na doon sa Denmark. At tapos yung mga dala ko dito, summer clothes. So, I'll just gonna leave it here and give it to whoever can fit it in the family. So yun, ito pala guys, ang dami kong sinasabi, nakalimutan ko, ito pala yung purpose ng video, kasi it's such a, it's so simple, it's such a simple thing, but really, na-appreciate mo talaga, pag nanay mo talaga, no, kahit gaano ka pa, katanda, ganyan, they will still look at you as the child. So ito, bigay ito ng mama ko. Hindi ko pa ito inopen. Dito lang sa gilid. Hindi ko pa ito inopen. Nakalimutan ko ang sama ko. Nandito lang sa bag ko. Binigay niya ito sa akin. I think nung nasa Mualbual kami. Just, she apparently prepared a gift for me during Christmas. At ngayon ko lang natanggap kasi ngayon na ako nakauwi dito. So yun. So, simple things. Pag tumatanda na talaga, simple things matters a lot na talaga compared sa mga ganyan. But anyway, open ko siya. May nakalagay pang CM. That's my name from Mama. Open natin. Ganito na suot ko guys kasi we are busy nga, tapos magdadamit ako mamaya kasi alis kami. Magpapa-ID tayo doon sa Yala kasi my sister needs my ID para sa mga documentation na kailangan dito. Anyway, open natin. Oy! Nako naman. Shorts. Sayang at hindi ko na siya magagamit pa. Ay, magagamit ko actually siya doon sa pang ano ba, pang sleepwear. Ganyan. Yes. Galing naman. Thank you so much, mother dear. If you're watching, char! Pero na-appreciate ko talaga yung mga, alam mo yun, yung mga bigay na nakarap, kahit ano pa yan. Pag nakarap, parang may sense of, oh, nag-effort, ganyan. Iyak naman ako konti, char. Sarap. So, yun, maganda to. Kasi, hindi siya, alam mo yun, yung parang hard na material ba. So, pag ito, pwede ko siyang suotin na outfit ko pang tulog. Ganyan. Or pag nasa bahay lang. Kasi may heater naman din sa loob ng bahay. So, yun. Ganda. So, I'll bring it back. Sa Denmark, I'm happy. Kasi parang, you know, kahit saan ka pa napunta, napadpad sa buong mundo, your mother will still think of you talaga. As in. Char. Speechless tayo, guys. Tapos, meron pa pala akong ito, binili ko. Binili ko talaga to, ha. Binili ko yan kasi may isang Pinay na I got a Filipino friend in Denmark. Tapos, napabili siya ng ganito. And naisip ko din, I need that. Kasi alam nyo na, pag tumatanda, dami ng mga sumasakit yung ulo, sumasakit yung dito. Alam nyo na, dami mga sakit-sakit. So, bumili din ako kasi kailangan ko siya. And I think, mas mura siya compare sa mga White Flower, yung mga other brands. Ito medyo mura-mura. And then, same effect lang din naman. At saka malaki pa siya. I was looking, yung sister ko bumili siya ng isa na, ewan ko ba ano brand, Efficacent ata ba nun, ang brand nun. Mas maliit. Tapos, mas mahal. Ito, ganito. Ay! Jesus, Ginoo ko, Lord. See? Super nice. Tapos, ewan ko ba guys, nilalagay ko siya sa likod ng bato ko. Ang ganda ng feeling, parang nakaka-relax talaga. Ganyan. Tapos, pag may sipon dito, sakit ulo dito, sakit tiyan, sa tiyan, ganyan. So, I really like it kasi yung size niya, hindi siya ganun kaliit. So, mas madaming laman. And at the same time, pwede ilagay sa bag. Anytime. Ganun naman talaga. So, happy ako na I was able to discover na may product palang ganito. Ano pa ba? Oh, nandito pala kami guys sa it's called Lex Hotel. Lex Hotel, nasa Escarrio. And as you all know, ewan ko ba kung alam niyo, I grew up in this area. I used to live in Juan Osmeña Extension, yung pa ganyan na taga sa may Martinez, ganyan, pababa dyan. Pero hindi ko pa siya napuntahan ulit doon kasi parang busy.
Maybe we'll have a picture of that later when we go out and look.
Yeah, we'll see. But anyway, right now we are staying here. And yeah, 4 days. Ang ganda ng hotel guys. Hindi siya ganun kabonggang-bongga-bongga. Pero it's surely an upgrade kumpara sa Metro Park na pinagstayhan namin. I'm not complaining kasi yung Metro Park, very affordable siya pag on the budget kayo. And at the same time, may swimming pool din. Tapos yung swimming pool nila is parang feel mo na naka-private siya. Hindi yung parang lahat ng guest titingin-tingin sa inyo. Kasi parang ito yung building nila. And if you wanna use the swimming pool, you gotta go at the back. And then it's like a separated space para lang sa swimming pool. Ganyan. So I like it there. Tapos may restaurant din sila. Okay naman yung mga food nila doon. Pag Filipino ka, ma-enjoy mo talaga yung food nila. Pero pag foreigner ka, I don't think so. Kasi never pa na-enjoy ni Martin yung mga pagkain doon. Nung nag-try kami, hindi. Pero ako, enjoy ako sa food doon. But anyway, it was so cheap there. You can stay there for 1,000 peso. Okay na. Hindi ganon, hindi mabongga, pero nandun yung mga amenities na kailangan mo. May wifi, may bed, shower, toilet, swimming pool. Good. Dito naman mas maganda yung interior niya. There's an extra, alam mo yun, ito parang office chair, pero ito na yung ginamit ko. May magandang may magandang chair na malaki. Tapos, ang dami nilang mga coffee na inilalagay dyan, mga extras, ganyan. Ang ganda. Tapos, yung bed nilang laki din. Nag-request si Martin ng king size bed. Did you pay the extra for this? Not really, right? For requesting an extra.
5 kroner.
Okay. So it's like just 5 kroner for.
It's nothing I could choose.
Yeah. But anyway, we enjoyed our stay here. It's nice. It's clean. People are nice. Yung buffet nila, yung breakfast buffet for Filipino, may enjoy nyo talaga. Kaya lang sa picture, may mga cold cuts. Yun yung parang ini-expect ni Marty na parang, oh, I'm gonna enjoy the breakfast. Pero pagdating nun, wala. Pero may mga bread, may mga salad, may mga cakes, ganyan. So, yeah. Tapos yung binayaran niya, magkano binayaran niya? Mga 250 kroner? Naka-promo man siya.
260.
260 crowns. Tapos, i-times 7.5 nyo. Magkano ba? Basta kayo na bahala. Tapos plus tax. So, more or less, nasa mga 2,000. My gosh. 100 is 1,000. Na 100 is 700. Whatever. Oy, basta kayo na mag 7 times 5. Wala. Lutaw. Lutaw ang utok. So, anyway. At tapos maganda din siya, guys, kasi pagkalabas mo, gumanyan ka lang ng konti, parang katabi lang talaga, McDonald's. Tapos pag you cross the street, Jollibee. Tapos pag lakad-lakad ka pa ng konti, may 7-Eleven. Tapos lakad-lakad ka pa ng konting-konti, may mga coffee shop, may mga restaurants, ganyan. Pero ang ganda kasi ang dami ng sobrang changes dito. Ditong area ako lumaki. Dati is just, filled with nothing. Ngayon, sobrang developed na, but what's nice about it is yung church namin na pinupuntahan namin dati, Capital Parish, andyan pa rin, same look. So, parang, nare-remember mo pa rin yung parang childhood mo, ganyan. So, yun, alam kong sinasabi. But anyway, guys, I enjoyed my vacation. Our vacation, Martin enjoyed it too. We've been transferring from one hotel to another, one resort to another. Ang ganda din kasi ang dami na may mga na-experience, ganyan, nakukompare namin, oh, ito maganda, ito hindi masyadong maganda, ganyan. So anyway, yun, thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.